allow me fixing everything. And because there is always something to fix, this graphite industrial hoover, it's broken, it doesn't work. When you plug it in, it's not working, and most likely the motor is seized because I was told it smoked when they used it. This one is working perfectly fine, but he got the most stupid design on the bottom of the filter. I don't know if you are aware, but here there is like a filter, there is like a water-based filter as well, and this filter should seal very nicely onto the bottom, but it's not sealing, and just most stupid design award goes right there. So what I'm gonna try is get the motor from this, put it in here, and everything works. So what the first thing I'm gonna do is I'll disassemble this one. I'll put the fast forward mode, and yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen. Okay, now it's time to dismantle this one. I'll make a completely separate video on how to dismantle it, because it's going to be a very long process and it's not as easy as the other one. We'll just pull the motor out and you'll see me with the motor out. Okay, and then 4 screws here. I run out of space as well. Oh, there we go, that's the motor. Good. And now you can either replace it or you can chop it away like I'm going to do. This is exactly what I need. Almost the same. Model number is Domel 490-19159 MKM 7417. I have seen better. But this one will be fine. Okay, I'll just put it here to the side. What else we got here? This rubber. There is one big seal, I'll leave it here. I don't see a model number. Very interesting mechanism. There we go. And we got to the button, which is not working. And does it just pulls out? Yeah, it just pulls out. This one is completely gone. And there is a resistor or capacitor here. That's it. I hope it's helpful to you in any way. I'll just vacuum all the rubbish now. Anything else here that can be helpful to you? Anything on that rail? This rail sometimes is problematic, but I'm not gonna... Can I take it apart? I don't think I can. Sometimes, because there is two contacts that make contact here, you might need to open it. Sometimes the problem of not starting could be right here. Whatever, get rid of it, and that's gonna be your best choice. Anyway, so I pulled the motor out of the other one. No, not this one. I actually put it in yesterday evening to check if it fits nicely. And it's the same, just look at that mess. And it's the same diameter on the outside. So this is the one from this one, and this is the one from the other one. Yeah. And now how can we make it work? Not exactly sure. But I think if I just put it in straight away, it should work. Is this one going deeper? Maybe. Or maybe not. I don't know. Like this, and then this one. Okay. And this one will go here on top. Maybe around here. And this piece of rubber should go here, but they'll need to chop off the rubber right here that goes. Always cut away from you. If you want to know why, just watch on my channel how to glue your own skin. Okay, so let's try again now. This thing here on this side. This seems okay to me. So what it's sucking actually pushing out. It's taking from the bottom and it's taking it out. So I think it can go without this, at least for the test. What we need next is these two cables. Let me find a few couples. So just to be sure that everything works, I'll connect it here. And I will plug it in. I'll plug it in here. I'll turn it on. I think it's turned on. Is it turned on? I'm not so sure, but we'll see if it works. Should work. No, nothing. So I actually blow up the fuse on the first try. So we'll see now if I have a 220 when we turn it on. So this one here, this one on the other side. Can you see on your side? Okay, I'll plug it in now. Nothing. Well, this was not connected to anything and it still blow up. So I think we tripped the fuse again. No, the fuse is still okay. Let's check. Yeah, there is a face here. So what if I switch it off? Well, definitely something is baked now. I unplugged it. There's something here. Oh yes. This board got completely baked. So we'll just run it without the board. And this will make our lives a lot more easier. I'll just take all the wiring out and I'll show what I did. I'll just show you what just happened. This is so you can control the motor to be running only when the tool here is running. We'll make it as extension of the tool, and you have to turn the hoover on and off manually. I still haven't done the wiring, but I noticed that it needs a little bit more higher seal. So get this one and this one onto the vacuum like that, and then I'll just try to put this one on top. And when I grab it here, it feels solid-ish. Just so we don't have that much contaminants. Yeah, it's okay. Now the wiring. Should it pass on the side? Maybe. Maybe it can pass here from the side of the vacuum. Yeah. So we have these two wires on here. And now we need to wire it so the switch is cutting the power, and at the same time there is power into this socket all the time, I would say. Just like an extension. Okay, so let me explain now. Power is coming in and it goes to this switch, and at the same time it goes to, first goes to the socket. Here first goes to the switch, but socket is power on, switch is power on, and now I have these two cables that will go to the switch itself, like that. And now this one in here, and where does this one goes? Like that. Let me just fit it in properly, and we can give it a test. Hopefully this one works. Maybe I should put it to the side and just watch it do its thing. Come on this side, come on this side. Definitely does suck. Let me just clamp it down like this. Okay, I tested it again, and I just connected one of the wires directly to the motor. After, because the switch was only switching one of the wires, but that's pretty simple. And I tested it and let it run for a couple of minutes, and although it was very dusty, it sucks perfect. It's just perfect. So I'm happy that I managed to salvage the motor, and we can reuse it. I don't know if this is the best routing for the wires, but can you see here? I removed one and I just directly connected it here. This is like that. Put the handle on top and distribute. I'll show it working once I clean it up a little bit. Okay, and the end of this video, actually salvage this hose. We'll see if it can run. I know it can, but still. Oh, it looks really nicely. So let's have a look. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that it managed it. Perfect. Wow, that's it. End of the project. I hope this video has been, thank you. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and we'll see you on to the next one. Bye bye.